Hi guys, it's Minyoung, and today we'll be making these super cute star training treats for dogs. It's just 4 ingredients and you probably already have these ingredients in your kitchen. Let's make them. In a mixing bowl, add half a cup of organic applesauce, a quarter cup of organic pumpkin puree. Just be careful not to use pumpkin pie mix, just 100% pumpkin puree. Then add 2 tablespoons of organic unsweetened peanut butter. Be careful not to use a peanut butter that contains xylitol, which is extremely toxic to dogs. Then mix all your ingredients together. We will be using 3/4 cup of all-purpose gluten-free flour, but we're going to add a little bit at a time just in case we don't need all of it. We want to achieve a slightly gooier, I don't want to say runny like a cake batter, but like a gooier texture instead of a firm biscuit dough. Next, I'll be spraying the star-shaped silicone mold with some olive oil spray. Now let's scoop up some dough and place it onto the silicone mold. Using a pastry scraper, which came with this silicone mold, you can scrape in the dough or batter. Your first priority right now, I know it's messy looking, the goal right now is to just get the dough into the star-shaped cavity. Then with the pastry scraper, you're just going to scrape off all the excess dough and just go up and down, side to side until it's clean. Now I'm going to transfer the silicone mold onto a baking sheet and then bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Now look at this! Isn't it so cute? Now after your biscuits have cooled, you can just pop them out onto a baking tray, a bowl, or whatever you want. Because we had sprayed with oil, the star should pop out pretty easily. You can also give a little tap, a shake. Isn't the star shape so cute? I love using this method because since these are tiny, like to punch out tiny little cookie cutters is just like a lot for me. So this is a great alternative. And that's it. How easy was that? The star shapes just make it super cute, but it's also such a great way to stuff these in like a little container or a baggie when you're walking your dog and giving them this training treat, or you can use it to teach your dog tricks as like a motivator. I hope you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!